Okay, Mahala, I wanted to show you this, see if maybe this will help you as you're um, doing your slides. So I have two slides here, one that says this is a test and then second page. I've got the next button here. I've already created that and put the link in so that it goes to the second page. So now I'm going to create, well, first of all, I'm going to bring this in because what I noticed is if you click on this, even if you have the background as not clicking, this, advancing the slide forward, this title bar or this link, or I'm sorry, this text box, I guess, will advance it forward. So I'm going to make this as small as possible. So anyway, now you can see I've already put one in, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that so that I can show you what I did here. So I added the shape in, which I think you've already done this. Make it transparent. And then I am going to come up here to arrange, and order will be send to back. If you do send backward, it's only going to do one layer at a time. If you do send back to back, it will go all the way to the back. And then I want to link that to the same page that I'm on, which is slide 1. So apply, and now it should work when I get into presentation. If I click here, it stays on slide 1. If I click next, it goes to the second page. And like I was saying, for some reason, if you click on this, it'll also go to the second page, but as long as you're clicking on the back, it shouldn't move. And I imagine you could take this and make it link to the same page as well. So hopefully that helps. I think that's it. Thanks.